Hello students, today we are going to start our first chapter of accountancy, that is meaning and objective of accounting. So first of all, we will have to know what is the meaning of accounting. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money. So, first of all, any transaction means sale, purchase, gifts and takes of money, that is called transaction. So, first of all, accounting is an art of recording. The a work of accountant that first of all he will have to record all the transaction at one place. After that, classifying all the transaction like purchase account, sales account, cash, debit, credit, all the transaction recorded in a similar account, that is called recording. After that, the purchase related information transfer in purchase account and the sales related information transfer to sales account and cash related information transfer to cash account. So second step is classifying. After that, analyze or summarize that which accounts in profit position or which account in loss position. That step is called summarizing. So accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money. It means in accounting we only record the transaction which can be converts in the terms of money, like price of chair, price of building, price of machinery, all the transactions that can be converted in the terms of money, that are recorded in the accounting. But the transaction that are not recorded in the terms of money is not recorded in the accounting. For example, quarrel between production manager and finance manager, that is not recorded in the accounting. So accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money which are in part of at least financial character and interpreting the result. It means with the help of these information we can find out the accurate result that our business is in profit position or in loss position. That is the meaning of accounting. This meaning identify the whole concept of accounting. So first of all, the characteristics of accounting, and the first characteristics is accounting is an art as well as science. So, students, what is the meaning of art? Art means anything that require skill and knowledge. So, for doing accounting, we also require skills and knowledge. So, accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing business transaction with a view to ascertain the net profit or financial position of the business. So, that's why we will call them accounting is an art. Second feature is accounting is a science. We know that science is anything that require a organized body of knowledge. So accountancy is also a science because it also required organized body of knowledge. Without knowledge we can't do the accounting. So that is a science, because just like science, accountancy is also based some principles and some rules, but these principles are called standards in accounting terms. So the rule of accountancy is called accounting standards. So for this feature we also call them accounting is an science. Now, the next feature is recording of financial transaction. It means in accountancy or accounting, we only record the financial character transaction. If any transaction that cannot be recorded in the terms of money are not recorded in accounting. For example, purchase of chair, purchase goods, purchase furniture, that all terms are recorded, because purchasing we can purchasing of chair or machinery we can easily convert in the terms of money. So that's why we are recorded in these transactions in the accountancy. But all these transactions which are not recorded in the terms of money are not recorded in accounting. Recording in terms of money, like 200 chairs and 10 tables. The 200 chairs price is 2 lakh rupees and 10 tables price is 50,000 rupees. It means any things that can be converted in the terms of money are recorded in the accounting, and that cannot be converted in the terms of money, that is not recorded in the accounting. Then the next characteristics is classifying. After recording all the transaction has to classify. It means the purchase related information in purchase account, the sales related information in sales account, the cash related information in cash account, Ram's related information in Ram's account, and Shyam's related information in Shyam's account. It means similar transaction in similar account. That is called classifying. And the book in various accounts are opened is called ledger. What is ledger? We will discuss in later chapter in detail. Now, the next characteristics of accounting, that is summarizing. After classifying, the next step of accounting, that is summarizing. In summarizing, we convert the information in a meaningful terms, and after that we analyze. And for analyzing, we will have to make some accounts, and that account is called trial balance and financial account. And in financial account, three types of accounts are involved. The first one is trading account, the second one is profit and loss account, and the third one is balance sheet. So after making all the accounts, we will have to analyze the business is in profit position or in loss position, that is summarizing. The next feature of accounting, that is interpretation of the result. In this, first of all, we will have to know what is the profit position of the business, then what is the financial position of the business. After analyzing of this type of information, we will have to interpret the information to the various parties interested in the business. And who are the various parties? That is proprietors, managers, banks, creditors, employees. Why all the parties are interested in the business? Because proprietor interested in the business for knowing the profit position of the business. The managers interested in the business for knowing the cash position of the business. The banks interested in the business for knowing the credit position of the business. Then when their loans recover, and creditors interested in the business because they also wants to cover their amount from the business. The employees interested in the business to know that their salary position when their salary increases, and for knowing the bonus. Due to this reason, the employees are also interested in the financial position or the accounting information. Now, the next important feature or characteristics of accounting is communicating. What is the meaning of communicating? After analyzing all the information, the various parties use this information as per their requirement. This is called communicating. Then, objectives of accounting. What is the main objective of accounting? The first one is to keep systematic record of the business transaction. For a normal human being, it is not possible to know or to learn all these things in the mind. So for this, they will have to keep a systematic record. Then the second main objective of accounting, that is to calculate the profit or loss. With the help of accounting, we can easily calculate the actual profit or actual loss of the business. The accounting is also important to know the exact reason to leading the net profit or net loss. With the help of accounting, the proprietor can easily find out the exact reason of the profit or loss. The next point is to ascertain the progress of the business from year to year. It means with the help of accounting, we can easily calculate the progress position of the business. And the last, to prevent and detect errors and frauds. It means with the help of accounting, we can easily find out the errors and frauds. It means overvaluation of anything that can be easily detected with the help of accounting. Then the next point is to provide information to various parties. With the help of accounting, the manager can easily communicate the information to the various parties of the business like owners, investors, creditors, banks, employees, government authorities and tax authorities. Then to attain the financial position of the business. With the help of accounting, we can easily ascertain the financial position of the business. Only net profit calculation is not the sole objective of the business. The business will also know their financial position in the market. For this, the business have to prepare the balance sheet. The balance sheet shows the actual position or the financial position of the business. So it means the accounting also provide the financial position of the business. Then function of accounting. What is the function of accounting? The first function of accounting, that is maintain complete and systematic record. With the help of accounting, the users of account that can easily maintain complete and systematic records. Communicating the financial result to various parties. With the help of accounting, the result can be easily communicated to the various parties of the business. Protecting the assets of the business. With the help of accounting, we can easily protect the business or the various assets of the business. Providing assistance to the management. With the help of accounting, we can easily plan, control and decision making. All the transactions or all the important tasks of the business can do with the help of accounting. Trustship. It means with the help of accounting, we can easily trust on any company. For trusting any company, we can find out what is their financial position, what is their actual position, what is their bank statement. So with the help of any accounting information, we can trust on any of the company. Compliance of legal needs. Sometimes the business require legal needs. It means the accounting also represent as a legal needs as a witness in the front of the court. So that is also a point of compliance of legal needs. Then the last, fixing responsibility. With the help of accounting, we can easily fix the responsibility of each and every department. It means what is the responsibility of each department can be fixed by the help of accounting.